Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Business Hub. And in this video, I'm gonna show, or we're gonna analyze the market for the next few days. That means Monday to Friday. And let's start. And beginning of this chart, I'm gonna show you there was our last day analysis. As you can see there is a support or resistance zone. There is two resistance zone, and we indicated a sell zone over here, and it just dropped a lot. As you can see there is few days movement from the market, but in Friday market just move a lot. Like there is 3 days movement and there is 1 day's movement. Is 3 days is equal 1 day's movement. Okay, and this is the way how we are trading in our VP. And if we remove all of the drawing, and if we want to start drawing freshly for the next week, so as we are a day trader, and as my style, I want to start from weekly time frame. That means I need to start from longer time frame to define the market direction, and then we can come daily time frame. Then we will find out our entry in H4 and H1 time frame. Okay, and as you can see there is few candles. Each and every candles closed with bullish movement. Okay, and as you can see there, if we especially talk about last 5 days, that means last week candles movement. And let me mark it again. There is last 5 days candle movement, and if you especially see our last week analysis, you may know that we just draw a breakout over here, and we told that, or we send a signal, buy signal for a long time, and it's happened, guys. Okay, and if we see the market for the next week, and as you can see there is last 4 candle, there was bullish movement, and each and every candle saying that market is going bullish. Okay, and for currently, as you can see there, the body is smaller than rejection. That means there is huge selling pressure. So maybe market is going for sale for next 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. So we have to find out that. So let's find out. Okay, and for weekly time frame, market is bullish movement, and there is a big rejection from the weekly side. And if we get back into day 1 time frame, as you can see there, I'm sorry, that was weekly time frame, and they're now daily time frame. Okay, as you can see there is as per I said, there is 3 days movement over here, and our last Friday's movement, that means yesterday's movement, break all of 3 days movement. Okay, so we have to keep our concern why that happened. We all know the reason is Trump. Okay, so let's analyze the market, and if we take a closer look on daily time frame, market just moving bullish significantly. And if we try to draw a trend line from that area, like in H4, you may know that there is a breakout. Okay, so you may ask me, Mr. Boom, till what market can go as per our analysis, or let me make it properly. So suppose this is a H1 trend line, and if we want to draw support and resistance, there is a big resistance in that particular area. Okay, and if we want to draw support area, okay, let's say it's around that area. Okay, that particular area. So for daily time frame, market says it will fall more till around 2860 or something like that. Let's check that, how 2866. Okay, so let's go for H4 to find the market direction, or find our proper entry. Okay, and as per you can see there is a support and resistance line already drawn, and for H4 I need to modify the trend line. So let's modify the trend line, and as you can see there, so if we start to here, or maybe if we zoom out little bit more, as you can see there, that can be our support resistance or resistance area. So if we want to make that from that area to that area, or maybe here to here, each and every momentum there is a breakout. As you can see there, okay, there is a breakout, and this is our support area. So it may drop till this red rectangle area, then it may go up or again it down. Okay, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, if it down, what is the targeted area for our take profit for long term? For long term, maybe take profit area is around this area, okay? And if we try to find a daily take profit area, it may be that area, okay? There is two take profit level. So let's check let's find the entry, okay? And as per our analysis, we need to go daily time frame, and so we can easily find our entry. So if we want to draw another trend line from here to here, let me make it again here to, okay, here to here. As you can see there is a X pattern format, and maybe it is going to here, then it will give us a pullback, then we can take a sell entry from that area. You may ask me, what is the particular area to sell? Let's find the particular area to sell. As you can see there is a zone to take entry, and as you can see the market created a pattern here and give us a breakout, and again pullback from that area, and again it just gave us a pullback from that area, and again buy, again it just retested that area, again buy, again breakout. So there is three confirmation to go sell, okay? Go sell. So if you want to risk-free, you want to take a risk-free entry, you may wait till that area, okay? Then you can take sell entry, and maybe it will break that, again pull back, again we take sell entry over here, again it drops, okay? And if you take sell entry over here around that area, it will be risky because SL level is too much high for now. So we have to wait for pullback, okay? Maybe from there or from there, then we can take our entry around that area, and we can set our SL over here, and then our TP should be over here, and TP2 or if you use multiple TP, your another TP should be here. So I hope all things clear now. If you have more query or more question about market analysis, or if you want to know more thing about market, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/fxbillionhub. There we are sharing a lot of analysis and entry daily, like fundamental entry, technical entry, or fundamental analysis or technical analysis. And I want to share one more thing, that is M30 or M15 time frame. That means for a scalper, okay? For a scalper, if you want to scalp now or from Monday, and as you can see there, as per I said, there is a support area, okay? Market just moving this particular area currently. So as you can see there, this is the latest support zone. So, and if we want to draw a latest resistance zone, for now resistance zone is around that area, okay? That area. So market is moving from that area to that area, that means like that pattern, okay? This is pure sign of support and resistance. So you may take a buy entry, like for a small investor or a small trader, you may set your SL here, and you may take TP here, SL here. Like you have to take SL 50 pips, TP 150 pips, okay? RR, that means risk and reward ratio is equal to 1:3 over here, okay? And if we want to see the smaller time frame movement, as you can see there is a breakout, and it may retest again this one, then it can be fly few more pips, okay? So you can take your entry over here for a small interference, okay? And I basically do not recommend that movement. I basically recommend, or I am recommending you to wait for pullback, okay, till that area, then you can take entry. So hopefully all things is clear now. For more query or for free signal, you may visit our Telegram channel as per I said. And Mr. Boom signing out. That's for now. Happy trading. Have a nice day.